this tutorial, we're going to install an SQL database server. We will be installing MySQL. I probably would do tutorials on SQL Server and MySQL. I'm choosing MySQL because they have a free version. Mostly it's so hard to get SQL Server because you probably have to pay. So to make things easy for us, we're going to use MySQL. The fun part is most of them, like almost all of them use the same syntax. So you're going to be good. MySQL is a great place to start. We will dive into SQL Server as time goes on. MySQL, because it can work on a MacBook, it also works on a Windows. So whether you're using a Mac, you're using a Windows PC, we're good. Each of them can install MySQL. So let's get into it. Okay guys, what you're gonna do is you're gonna open your favorite browser. I'm using Google Chrome, and you're gonna search MySQL community server. It's gonna automatically detect what operating system you're using. I use the MacBook M2, so I chose that. And you're gonna ignore everything else and then just click on no thanks, start my download. When it's downloaded, you're gonna double click on it and you're gonna double click again and then allow. So you just click on continue, go through the agreements, license agreements, and then click on continue again. You agree, and then you install for all users on this computer. You can decide to change your location, but you can just keep it that way. You're going to enter your password for your computer at this stage, so I put it in there. You let it load, and this is one of the most important part. You need to create a password for your server, right? You need to pick a password you're going to remember. We're going to get back to it, and then you see how important it is. So pick a password you're going to remember, one that you don't have to second guess, and it has to like meet the requirements on there. You're going to click on finish, click enter your password for your computer again, and then click on OK, and your download should be done in a few seconds at this stage. When you're done, you're going to go to your computer's system settings, if I got that right. And when you go there, that's system settings, you're going to click on it and then you scroll down. If your server is installed, you're going to find MySQL there. So this is it showing in my settings. Everything has been installed. So after it's been installed, you're going to search for, open your terminal, and in your terminal you're going to run MySQL -u root -p, and when you run it, it's going to ask you to enter your password. This is where you enter the password you created for your server, not your PC's password, the password for your server. If everything is okay, you're going to get that output. Now we're going to go straight into installing MySQL Workbench, because you need a workbench to connect to your server to be able to use MySQL. So once again, it's going to detect your operating system so easily, and this is my version. You're going to ignore and then click on no thanks, just start my download again. After it's downloaded, you're going to double click and then you drag and drop into my applications. If you use a Mac, you should know this is how it usually most applications are installed on your computer. That should be easy. So after it's installed, you're going to search for MySQL Workbench. I mistakenly went to find it, but you have to tap on the search button at the top there and then search Workbench. It's going to come up, and yeah, I think basically that's it. So if you had an issue with the install, so sometimes when you open your terminal, you might have issues with the install. I'll put a description down there on how to resolve that issue. So you enter your password for your root here again and save, because you don't want to have to enter your password anytime you open your Workbench. And that's it guys. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.